to just tell you, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Share this video. Ring the bell. Most comments. You should go follow. Today, we are not going to be exercising. We're going to be playing with the dirty ocean slime. So, I call this the dirty ocean because it's really dirty. And you can tell it's so dirty. So this is going to be called the dirty ocean. But you guys comment down below. If this was not called dirty ocean, what would I call it? So we're going to be doing a whole bunch of dares today for this slime. And I'm really happy because I hate this slime. It's so ugly. But we're going to be seeing if it can be even uglier. So we have to see if we can make this slime uglier than it is now before 3:40, which is 3:21 right now. So we need to get started with this challenge. Let's go. I just set a time to 3:40 on my phone. Now let's start doing some stairs. Ew, look at this. Ew. Ugh. It smells really good though, but it looks disgusting. Ew. Okay, but to make this even uglier, how about we add a few bits of rocks? So come on guys, let's go add some rocks to the slime. I think that will actually give it the ugly taste. So we have a big rocks right here, but here's some tiny ones. So we're gonna add in some tiny rocks. Now, I have another rocks. Now it's time to do a dare with the slime. Guys, it's 3:25. We're running out of time. So now since we add a rock to it, what's this? I'm gonna spray it here. What the? It's not working. Okay, we can't stop and just wait. Okay, how about we add some dirt to it? That would definitely make it ugly. And guys, BTW, we're gonna be mixing it up at the end. Oh, look at that slime. Ew. That is so ugly. Okay, so now we have to do another dare for me. Oh, the slime fell off. See? I guess that's okay. But now it's time to see a dare. I dare myself to eat some of this slime right here. Okay, let's do it. Let's eat a piece. Whew. I'm going to put a little bit of some dirt on that piece. And I got a little of a bigger piece. Now, are you ready for me to eat this? And I have to hold it in my mouth for 10 whole seconds. But we have to hurry and do this dare before the time runs out. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I want to come out. Ew. Guys, it's 3:28, almost 3:30, and we're gonna have 10 minutes left to get this slime ugly. And it's only looking at a little bit of ugliness. So I'm gonna go around and look for some more stuff. And yeah, so I'm gonna get some of these dirty leaves stuff right here. Oh yeah. Ooh, look how ugly that is. Now, I cannot even think about doing a dare right now because I gotta keep adding stuff in here. Let's see. what else should I add, guys? I'm running out of time and I gotta hurry. I'm just gonna add some grass. Okay, come on, gotta go. Add it in. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of grass. Okay, we gotta find something else to do, and then we're gonna do a dare. I don't know. I'm gonna just break a stick to pieces. Okay, here's the camera right here. Okay, let's add it in. Okay, now we gotta do a dare. I'm so ready to mix it. 3:30, but we have 10 minutes left, so I gotta hurry up and do a dare. I'm going to eat a piece of grass with some slime on it and something to eat it. 3, 2, 1. Ugh. 10 minutes left. Okay, we have to find something else to put in the slime. What else should I add into this? There's really nothing. There's literally nothing. I added, oh, a soda can thing. Maybe we should add one of these in here, right there. How about another one? How about one of these things? Don't worry about that. I'm just gonna add. Okay. Uh-oh, the time is up. No! Guys, the time is up. It's time to mix this slime up. So I'm gonna do the drone and mix this. Are you ready for me to mix this up? Like, I'm so scared. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Ew, I feel a whole bunch of stuff in the slime. Ew. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ew. I see the little rock in here. See everything. Ew. And look at that too. Ew. Look at all that stuff in there. Ew. I just hate this slime. Ew. I just hate this slime. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you want me to do another thing like this, but have a different slime and put a whole bunch of other stuff into it. Well, bye.